Hello everyone, welcome you all for my new series. I am starting the series on machine learning, and I will make videos from beginning, from installation and to some basic tutorials, and I will make videos from very scratch, so that you do not need any prior information. So welcome to this first video. In this video we will see how we need to install Python so that we can write programs for machine learning. There are various platforms on which you can do machine learning like MATLAB, but because Python is the most commonly used language all over the world, so I am using Python. So first thing what we do, we will go to the Google and type Anaconda and press enter. So you will click on this site anaconda.com, and then you will go to the products and click on the individual edition. So you can download it from here if this is matching your system's requirement, or you can go to the bottom. So here you can see different type of Anaconda installer. So if you are having 64-bit system, then you can download this, and for 32-bit you can download this. And if you are using other operator like Linux and Mac, then you can select the appropriate version. So suppose if you are using 64-bit, then you can save this, and what you will do then, so we have done these 3 steps, and now you have to follow the default steps. Means you right click on the downloaded version, and you just follow the default steps, and then your Anaconda will install. Then you will go to the window and you will open the Anaconda Navigator. So in the Anaconda Navigator you will see this screen. So there are various type of platforms on which you can write machine learning codes in Python language. So I will be using Jupyter Notebook because it is very easy to understand. So you will go to this and you will click launch, and when you click launch, then this type of window will appear, and from here you can click here, and you can click on the new Python 3 file, and a new file will appear within a few seconds. It depends on your system speed. So these days my system is a bit slow, but if your system is fast, then this can open very fast. So here you can write the code step by step, and what is the interesting feature is that you can write something and you can run immediately and you can see the result. For example, say I want to write 2 plus 2, then you can run and you can see the result 4. So in this way you can easily write code, and here is you have to write the title of the file, and so if you click on this, so here suppose you can write, say, my first code, and if you click on rename, then it will appear here, and Here you can do various things like you can make a copy, you can save your code at a particular location, you can rename the file, and so on. And with this button you can uh, make different type of shells for your program writing, and with this scissor button you can cut these cells, and from this button you can copy the cells, and from this button you can paste the cells at your specified location, and from this buttons you can change the position of the cells. So this is how you will going to install Python, and how you will open your Jupyter notebook. So this is all for the installation. In the next video we will start programming, and we will make our first program. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thanks.